What's good? What's poppin'? It's your boy Zay back at it, and today we got this little beautiful thing. It's my baby right here, 2001 IS300. As you can tell, it doesn't look fully stock. Got a Gretty type R lip. I got a super rare. I know some of my IS300 guys will know about this, but it's an Altezza front grille. F1R F21 wheels with some Falcon FK510s. Not a square setup, it's staggered. Rear is about 9.5, while the front's about 8.5. When we come to the rear, nothing else really on it. I mean, of course, I got like the little window spoiler, window visor, whatever you call it, the little things right here and there. A HKS a HKS Dragger 2 exhaust. And other than that, it's been pretty stock. I'll even open up the hood for you guys. No intake, no engine mods, no nothing like that. So in this video, we're gonna be, damn, I look goofy as hell with this thing on. But on this video, we are going to be just pretty much, let me try to fix myself. All right, so a stock naturally aspirated touge. As you can see, no intake, no nothing like that, no cams. As you can tell in the back here, it's a little bit wet. That's because my valve cover gaskets, valve cover gaskets, they're old as hell now. I haven't changed them ever since I got the car. And let me make sure this is all good. Okay, yeah, we look good. So right now, of course, hopefully, you know, cross my fingers, knock on wood. Haven't really had too much of a problem with this girl. And of course, yeah, as you can tell, automatic. I know. Oh, you should have got a manual. It's a daily. It's, you know, it's whatever. It was my first car, and my parents didn't really want me to get a manual to get into, so it's okay. I, you know, made it happen what it happened, but I got some ideas coming up for the car. So right now we got the power mode and traction control off, and we're gonna put it into manual mode. And of course, the fronts are down, the back buttons are up. So you can damn, bro, you could press only one side of the buttons for it to change gear and everything. So we're gonna go ahead and get out of here, and I'm gonna go do a little bit of cruising around, a little bit of togging, trying to see what roads I can get up into. Gonna take, you know, of course, a trip down to Mexico. You know, never do anything around where you are. Always go to Mexico, boys. But we're gonna try to hit up some roads that I know and that I like hitting. And then also we're just gonna try to, you know, find some other ones and everything like that. I'm gonna let you guys know what's coming in store for the channel, what to expect and what not to expect. Well, not really what not to expect. I wouldn't even well, I'm gonna add a meme to that. I want to get the car built. I've been looking at GT motors, so 2JZ GCs. But I've been looking at GT motors, god dang. And it's not that they're like crazy expensive or anything like that, because I've been saving up for a long time to get this car built, get everything done that I want to get done to this car. So it's really like not even just like putting in a motor, slapping in, you know, turbo, and then just saying that's it. No, I still want to get coilovers, bushings, brake lines, upgraded brakes, and I already know what upgraded brakes I'm gonna go with. If you're an IS300 guy and you're watching this, you already know LS400 brakes. They pretty much just bolt straight onto the front with like a little spacer, and you got upgraded brakes right there. The rears probably aren't gonna get upgraded. I'm gonna do like BC coilovers. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but my intake has such a nice, like, it's not really, I don't even know what to call it. Like, it sounds like a blow-off, but it isn't a blow-off valve because I'm not turbo. But this sounds so good. So that's just the only thing that's like keeping me from doing anything crazy with this thing. It's just like, I don't really want to do anything crazy off the bat, because I mean, of course, the highest horsepower car I've ever driven is this right here, you know. And I don't even think it's like full like 220 anymore. Like, it's probably like, the way it feels on the butt dyno is more like, I would say 180 at the least, maybe. Because I do, you know, give some WRXs and everything like that, like a little bit of a run. But, gonna be doing brakes. So right quick, just overview. So we're gonna get a GT engine. I'm gonna put the GT, shift. Alright, gonna get a GT engine, 2J GT, single turbo conversion. Get, of course, some BC coilovers for this thing, because it definitely needs a little bit, it needs better coilovers. Like, I mean, any car that you want to do anything other than just dailing it, you're gonna need coilovers, because the rebound on like the factory coilovers are insane. So it's just like, you know, you might as well get some BCs. Always heard good things about that. Run bigger fuel lines, probably a bigger fuel pump, most likely a bigger fuel pump, injectors, of course, all the, you know, I want to, manual swap. So it is going to be turned into a manual car. Gotta get a clutch, or like a clutch assembly, clutch slave cylinder. I'm not really even pushing it. I'm still kind of like quarter throttle, like two thirds of the throttle. That's what I'm using. So I'm gonna do a full manual swap on this. Take this automatic out, this old tired ass automatic. Take this girl out, put a T56 in here, because I know a few of these IS300 guys. You guys are probably already gonna know who I'm gonna name drop, but SR Entertainment. He has a super sick ass red IS300, pushing by like, I think it's like 900 now, and he has a T56 5-speed, and I think it's like fairly stock, so that's good news. But either way, I'm probably gonna get a few of the interior pieces of the T56 worked on. Oh, and I'm gonna shut up. Goofy, bro. I feel like a goof doing this shit, dude. Yeah, no. Man. I don't even know if you guys can see me. Hold up. Oh. Alright. So, I know my hair is probably just hella goofy right now because I had this little headband thing on. But appreciate you guys for watching. Appreciate you guys for peeping into this. Make sure to like and subscribe this video. Help me grow. Help me get this touge Z swap done. And see you guys in the next vid. Doses.